I was saying, like, I really took her to Dave & Buster's, and I bought her a teddy bear with 50 tickets, and she did not buy me the PS5. And your girlfriend bought you the PS5. So, she really... we went to Dave & Buster's, right? And I bought her a teddy bear with my 50 tickets. And your girlfriend got you a PS5, didn't you? So why didn't mine give me a PS5? Like, I'm tired of having a GameCube. And she didn't even pay for my food. I've been hungry all day. I've been hungry all day. I haven't had anything to eat. My stomach growling.